Get in for the G-Man. I cop me a box Chevy, two-door 1978, 24s, Lambo doors, 18 years old, I was straight. Research me if you think I'm lying. Jolly at that 815, 358 North Broadway, Evergreen.
Hey, like and subscribe. My daddy's doing his best on call.
I know they ain't cuffing the motherfucker by the car, so they don't make me from the car. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Green, checking in with another YouTube video. Y'all just made it to Naptown for the car show, Bags Talk car show. So we gonna definitely get tuned in and let y'all see what's going on. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Big Boys with a Z, Stunning Entertainment, baby. Y'all definitely check us out. Check the channel out. It's a lot of heat out here, y'all. It's a lot of cars still on the trailers. Lucky people still getting here. It's about 1:45, 2 o'clock. Y'all can see a nice little line. People look like they still getting here. So I'm gonna get out here and see everything, what's going on. And I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Make sure y'all definitely like, share, subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna get it on and pop it off. Let y'all see all the car content. It's a lot of different cars out here. I'm gonna go through and get everything, y'all. They started racing. I'm late. They actually opened at 10. So I kind of just got here. So I'm gonna go around and let y'all see all the different types of cars, stuff of that nature. So meanwhile, I'm finna get right to work, y'all. Let's go. Man, this boy hard right here. Super hard. Big cat for it. We got like a lot of the new switches. Seriously, for Giotto. This is bad 75 right here. 74, 75.
We got some tell them stunts, call them guns, tell them hoes go sell them cunts. I pull hella blunts, and I'm only gonna tell you one. Tell the bitch, tell about the chickens that smell like fish.
You got a nice truck. You ride hard. I see all the details on there. I like it. Tennessee, Montgomery, damn.
Force, plus blocks and roar, probably pop your whore, but I'm not for sure. Bitch wanna hop up, head up the docks and shores.
I know y'all hate this girl. I know they hate this girl. So hey, I know you want me to hate this girl on top. Hey, get on your job, make it till you make it. If I want to be me, as long as she want to be me, this the real one, baby.
Okay, got already.
Tell me that ain't it.
This is an LED light and logo and light stuff, y'all. This is nice. My younger. It's nice on fall. That's it. Blacked out. A real original one. This is what I had. Y'all. This is real original SS Monte Carlo. Nice though. Paint job is nice. Go. Village. I mean, Gold Forgiatos. Malibu, y'all. I want to try to get closer. LS. See what's on. EFI intake, y'all. For the ones that don't know, it's the setup. That's what I'm talking about on top, y'all. This boy Brian, this is time to you know they ain't cuffing the motherfucker by the car, so they don't make me from concrete. That what's going on? No, they ain't cuffing them. Oh yeah, they get live here putting it in their hand. Don't say violence. Hey, this is the last one. Man, these motherfuckers got a motherfucker in the can. I'm not like that. I'm trying to get away from them though. Let's keep walking up. They looking for some shit. Somebody you don't even know I'm right here, man. Y'all look at this, y'all. This is a nice setup, y'all. The colors are slick. It matches whatever type of ideal he had. Green calibers, 24-inch Forgiatos over here, y'all. Diamond stitching, y'all. Got the carbon fiber half detailed steering wheel, y'all. Steering wheel got like details of carbon fiber in it. This is really nice. Got the demons in the seat. He's nice, y'all. This is a nice demon, man. And this is something nice I can see. I can see adding one of these right here. Big cap Forgiatos on there that float. You got the inside two badges. These are all badges, y'all. Symbolizing this. You see the car, know what it is. Quattro, y'all, 7. Nice. See, everything don't gotta be on rails. Look at that spoil on that boy. Hit the button, that boy go down the trunk and come up. I like this. Got the curtains in. Oh yeah, this is a nice one here. Super clean, y'all. Y'all know about this car. Everything don't gotta be on rails, y'all. This is a nice 20 right here. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna get all the footage. Everything, look. And he's so nice, like all original. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what's up. I'm gonna take y'all around meeting the cars and all the cars. Let me take y'all a little history back on these. When I was a shorty, my mama had one of these. This is a Mercury. This is a Ford, I think. Ford something. But y'all, one thing about this motherfucker, y'all, he turned this boy into a straight racing car. As y'all can see, we call it the inside. Yo, all kind of shit. Gear shifters, all those are like different gears and shifting and changing.
That's why he cut this out?
Yeah, he got the hood. That's a point cargo right there. See got the top right here. See, you got that fan in front of this motherfucker. Yo, these are all race cars. Like when you see them like this, and they set up stuff on the race car. The fan actually keeps the motor cold. Parachute, baby. You know what that is. Stop it. So yeah, the fans will sit around and keep the engine cooler. That's what they really like. So when they get ready to run them, y'all, they can run them. extended back bike wheels. Here you go. Now this is the definition of a real race car. Steering wheel on the top. Dashboard. Racing equipment. Y'all look at the motor, y'all. This is some shit right here. This is some shit that had you just going crazy, y'all, right here. You will see all this right here. That's this stuff. They definitely running. After haul. Oh, this is called after haul fabricators. They might have a company or they may be a place that actually builds these cars, y'all. Not sure. Y'all see the setup on here. This is a mean setup. This to me, y'all, when I look at cars, this the shit I'm talking about, y'all. When I say quality, if you know cars, look at this motherfucker. Number quality. All the trim, the top, the pieces, look at the paint. Look at this car. This is like a brand new 1971, man. The inside, the weather strips, the top is so immaculate. Interior so nasty. He got epicenter, he got a lot of shit in here. Y'all, this is a bad motherfucker right here, y'all. On to brown. This man got brown, rust colored rims, y'all. The big brake kit on this motherfucker, y'all. Look at this kit. Look at the rims, y'all. It's like a root beer brownish color. The engine is motherfucking different. It is, y'all. This boy got some shit under this hood. Look at this shit. Got the high power 370 alternator. Supercharged, y'all. This is when y'all wonder what this sitting on top. We got a supercharged on here. And he named it something, y'all. I don't know what he named it. I'm gonna touch it and get you close. Boy got military, wood supercharged. 71, y'all. This is a bad, fast motherfucker. Y'all, this is how I like my cars. When I pull up and come and how y'all see me do my car, I like this shit, y'all. I like the quality to really be good. Top and bottom Sierra grill lineup. He got the top and he got the bottom. This 71 so hard. And I don't even think it's candy, y'all. I think it's just a regular root beer. No, it's not this. It's probably just a regular root beer. Paint flawless. It's the flawless. This is like one of the hardest ones I think here. And I stamped that. Because I know cars, I know what to look for. This is real quality. Top to bottom, we got it. Like that. When I say flawless, when you don't see nothing wrong with them, like when you see nothing like foot breaker. When they got a hit, this is my road. This is my favorite car, y'all. This is a 71. This is a 71 Capri Impala. I think that this is my favorite car. Hey, y'all famous YouTuber, y'all. I watch him all the time. Hey, he be in all the shows, bro. I don't know how you make all these people from Florida back to... I can tell by the man. So, y'all, I caught up with him, y'all. Y'all know y'all see me working. I'm working with him, but, hey, they motivated me the most, y'all. That's why I watch them, y'all. Hey, shout out to them. Yeah. Y'all follow my channel. BigBoyzStuninEnt with a Z. You already know.
BigBoyzStuninEnt right here, man.
Entertainment.
Entertainment. ENT.
Yeah, ENT.
Y'all make sure y'all follow this, man. That's Chocolate Phone, Mr. HD, Special Season. We out, man.
We out here, man. He motivate me. I'm chasing him down. I ain't got that on catalog, but I'm gonna get it.
Hey, man, all it takes is time.
That's how I be watching that. Hey, when I can't get to Florida, he at Florida already.
In Miami or what part?
He go all over. He everywhere. You see him? Busy man, what's going on? Man, you hard to get with, man. I be wanting you to do some work to my shit. But I don't got a box. I be watching y'all do some good work all the time. I be wanting to hit you up on Instagram. Okay. That's what I be wanting to do. What the Shot Town boys at? I see these champions up in here. Yeah. Oh no, these yours, right? Yeah. See, look. Hey, too much time. You ready? I seen them last year at, yeah. And I see Playboy TV here. Okay. I'll come to see y'all. All right. Yeah. See, I'm with the boys who build this shit. Shout out to the Chi-Town, West Side, all over, nigga. Illinois in general, y'all. We ain't gonna keep it out Chicago. Illinois in general, y'all. Y'all, these boys build these cars, y'all. This is who I be watching. All out the West Side. These boys really do their thing. They go another one. That's the owner. This is the other one. He built it.
They got some nice guys.
Hey, he built this. You heard me? Going down. Y'all, these 28s. Hey, y'all, when I say this car so fast, oh yeah, this you got an FN, what is it? EFI? I know this is. Y'all, this how we build my cars and all these dudes. Like, I fuck with them and get all the ideas, and we do it. Y'all, let's go on down and keep looking at the cars. Hey, this like a 70. I want to say this is a 78. This is a 78 to a 79 Camaro. And it's all racing equipment. Racing shifters. You got the computer to run it and control it. You got the Hardy. Yeah. And then right here, set up on this. Got another FIN, big carbon alternator. Twin turbos. So y'all guys, you know, y'all like to be extra, so I showed y'all. Don't say it ain't. See it? Nice flashy flag. Nice car. Go another race car, y'all. These fucking rotors are so unique. I've never seen a rotor like that. Actually, I wouldn't even call it a rotor. It's called this boy got some deep parts. Like I never seen the parts. Boy got some computers, man, in these cars. These cars got random rims and tires, but he on big cap 4. This is some real beat. Nice, y'all. Much paint. Different, y'all. Bronco. Big boy. Got the big. Oh. Oh. Mustang, y'all. This is a Mustang truck. Bad nationals right here, y'all. On the inside. Majority of these nationals come just like this. We got some new ones. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Playboy G's, y'all know where you at, but I see you right here, baby. You looking good. I never got a chance. What's up, man? You on out here, Santa Reese? Hey. Everybody, hold on. Hey, y'all know we got Santa Reese in the building, y'all. We watch him every day because he moved to Florida. We still watch him every day. Shout out to my man. That's Santa Reese, y'all, from last year. Yeah, I brought it back. Y'all shout out to my boy, 32 games Santa Reese, man. This is my guy, man. Hard vibing guy. I mean, hard to catch up with, but good guy, man. Miami guy. Yeah, hey, Miami, yeah, you never did. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all definitely subscribe to Santa Reese channel. Y'all make sure y'all follow my Instagram. Y'all do the same for me. Big boy.
Like you support my brother. Let's get it.
Definitely.
All right,
I'll
bro.
see y'all in a minute, bro. I'm gonna get you some put it out for you. Finally got a chance, y'all, to see Playboy GZ car in person. Y'all make sure y'all definitely go subscribe to the channel, y'all. I'm bringing heat, I'm working, I'm networking, and I'm gonna keep putting on. That's what I do. Bring y'all content that's all they see, and then I don't where it is. Shout out to Playboy GZ. This is one of the cars. Y'all can also visit them at the shop, Show and Go. Customs, y'all. Custom work, custom cars. Also, we got this one right here. The 442 original that he got, so check him out. Shout out to him. This is a build. It's a hell of a build, y'all. He did right here. Man, I finally get a chance to see this boy in person. Versus seeing it on TV is totally different. Big cap foliage, y'all, that spin. I'm actually getting a chance to see it. So shout out to y'all. Definitely go share and like the channel, subscribe to everything. Man, the interior is so nice. He kept it so Chevy. Man, this boy nice. This car is Florida. This car is a lot of job. Oh, look at the grill. Look at the Super Pro Charger at the bottom to the top. Then he did the bumpers gray, y'all, like a gray paint. Sierra grill that light up. Don't get no better than that. He really did his thing. This was the one that I really liked to frame off, by the way, y'all. Big drum, big wheel kick, great car. For the big wheels, guys, y'all see how big this whole situation is. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Y'all some cars in there, they come in. See, what he doing is he don't want to run his car at all. Like, he don't want to stop at all. So they put it in, so when we start having to bring it on their ass, they gonna race on this way. Right here. This is what he got. Y'all better stop playing with these boys, how they ride. Indiana, y'all. Illinois, though, y'all. Illinois, that town, y'all. And actually, y'all, it's a lot of Indiana guys that ain't even made it here. I'm seeing them coming in, but the police, y'all, they say here is so fucked up, y'all, at this point in time. You walk in, you see a motherfucking handcuffs, and it's supposed to be a car show. That's some bullshit. So I don't know. They talking about the city and the state ain't all that. But we gonna get y'all this footage. We here. I don't give a fuck what they talking about. Wow, this is nuts. This is 79, 58. That last two. Oh, he set up a race. What you got? 120 turbo or 2? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Man, he got a nice one. Look, this how your candy supposed to look like. Oh, that bitch light up in the inside. Anything. Boy, hey, this is tough. I can see Ye in one of these. Ye in one of these. They're like 30 something though. They potholes and top. My car is bad, but once I do what do you think? 28. Big cap. Yeah, this is a nice celebration. Y'all, 28 on the Camaro, y'all. Candy bread, this paint is so wet. Like another bad one. Y'all, this is a bad one too now. Yeah, it's nice. Nice little top of that top of that. two I seen. You got one on flat. Pop 60 so bad, man. I promise you. 60 had the same car. Shout out to Dollar Reese. He got Vino on the road too, y'all. Vino parked in the cut. We got him on the road, y'all. He ready. Ride now. This is nice Chevy, y'all. You don't see a lot of these. This is like a 67 to a 70. I want to say Chevy and Impala. Valero's nice to see. Nice top. Top money. 78, 79, y'all. Training day money. 19, I like the red. Well, that boy got a council in that boy. Got that back deck done. Nice candy red on here, y'all. Illinois car. Man, there's a lot of cars, y'all. Got a lot of cars. I'm gonna get on here. You got cars going and coming, y'all. This row right here, please. This row right here, y'all. They got some shit right here. Y'all ready? Start and stop. Yeah, on the computer. That's what they say. Riding so we can come back. That's every damn hustle right here. Watching every damn hustle. He don't know here yet. He gonna be shot when he turn around and see me. But y'all listen. These dudes, all these dudes inspired me to do it. They like I started getting more like followers and stuff like that from these guys. They help you. You know, they've been in the field doing it so long, so it's always good. Now look, now this is sick, bro, y'all. This right here is so bad. I wouldn't say a 69. You can see that's nothing. All the roof and the interior of it. You don't see these in this type of condition. And yeah, these those type of cars. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, BigBoyzStuninEnt. I'm here in Naptown, y'all. Give y'all the hottest content, bags toss, car show out here, y'all. So I definitely ran into a lot of them. But I ain't seen bags come. I ran into a lot of the shot towners and a lot of people. So y'all definitely rock and like the channel, y'all. Because I'm gonna bring y'all the content. I'm gonna go get the content for you whenever I'm able to go. Most of the time, I'm gonna try to dedicate a lot of time to going to. Y'all, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself. I ain't got league yet, you know. It's kind of hot, the sun hot, but I'm cool now. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna take y'all around all the cars. It's a lot of cars that I know y'all got. The bill, y'all. My bad. Nice bill on Billy. ready to make it. Nice and Santi, 454. Nice red. I know I gotta get y'all some bikes, huh? Y'all, I gotta get y'all some bikes. I want y'all to actually put the camera on these guys. Car show it. They're searching people's cars, or this guy car, we don't know why. As y'all can tell, this is another thing I definitely tell about y'all see the tank got these cars? This is the fuel tank, y'all. The fuel tank is in there probably because how you got it squatted so low. This is a nice one. This is a bad one right here. Yeah. 19, but this y'all, this is either 95 or 96. Shout out to my cousin, he's the first cat to have one of these when I was 16. And it was all black, y'all. At the time they was riding Billets, but much smaller Billet rims. But this is much smaller. And he got that pocket in JL's here. Indiana, y'all. Nice black. I like the rims, y'all. Got the big face on it. He got the springs in it. Oh, and on the deck. The deck on the back.
I didn't know if you were like a vlogger or I'm a vlogger. Alright, doing it anyway.
Oh, this boy is nice. I don't know what this is, y'all, but it's more like a transformer truck. I need a picture in front of this. I want to see it at nighttime, like what do it look like? I have never seen one of these, y'all, by the way. This is like one of the biggest dualies I've ever seen. This fucking big. Duramax, 5500, 4x4. This is not a focus. But I could imagine what it is. It look like it inside. It actually glows in the top right here. Y'all see it says in the back? Yeah, that boy big. You got five. That's what it is. It's just like real. This is nice. It's something different. Yeah, y'all. Oh, this is a nice dually right here, y'all. Turbo dually, 3500 heavy duck. When you got a dually truck like this, and you pull it and hook it all this type of shit, this shit costs money. Not cheap. From far. And then he rolled like this. He probably had 2 cars on this motherfucker at least. Or 3. That's a lot of cars. They got the other Chicago area right here. I didn't go over here. Look, told you, them boys still coming in. Look on that rack. They got all kind of shit coming in here. They not leaving this motherfucker until night. What you think about this boy? What? This boy tough. Oh, this is the blue top. This boy nice. Y'all, this is really nice. Clean. Just let me know when the race going down. Probably come back. Oh, okay. I might come and get on the sideline. I want to get 50 out of this. That racing fluid there, do you know what he carrying? It's when it goes down. That's why I said, boy, what you driving? I'm just going over there. I'm going to the track too, because I got to go see the race. This is nice. This is really, really nice. I had a Regal, but I've never had a newer Regal like this. It was an older one. But this is nice. Got new lights in it. The paint is nice, the rims on it is nice, the top is nice. This is a nice, clean wiggle that you would ride. Nice gray silver tip, y'all. Got all kinds of great. I call this boy, y'all, this root beer, y'all. This root beer sitting at its finest, right here. Look at this boy. Oh, he's nice and inside too. He got some custom marks on him. See? Custom deck down on that. Custom, y'all. A lot of cars actually have custom. This boy right here, root beer. That's what I call this one. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. For real? Y'all, he said this car been painted since 2016. It's the owner of it, y'all. And that's bad, dog. That root beer? Look at this root beer, y'all. Root beer. Yeah, it's over here. Nice car, bro. Appreciate you. 411. You know I know what's going on. Yeah. Nice setup in there. But I ain't edging in that setup. Y'all see, I like when people talk to me about their cars, y'all. That's so cool because I tell y'all, everybody wants to talk about their car, whether you know it or not. Whether the car's in great condition or not, everybody wants to talk about their car. Whether the wheels are okay or whatever, but everybody wants to talk. Man, shout out to the AM. This is the car your dad had, the Parisi. I had the same box like this. Candy source, gold D's. Shout out to my nigga off the east side, man. Show me the gold things, nigga. You know who you is, nigga. You know any nigga in the city that had any car. Meanwhile, y'all, we're gonna cut the video short. I need to find some food. I'm sorry, I'll get that from Aries look like he's tired.
That nigga talking about niggas quarantine and missing money, ain't been out of